retina. Yeah, and before you start any retinoid, always ask the opinion of your dermatologist about the concentration you need to start. Then ferulic acid, alpha hydroxy acids, and beta hydroxy acids. Now, AHA contains acids which are for your skin radiance. These are anti-aging as well as makes your skin luminous and suits most of the skin types, while beta hydroxy acids are for those oily and acne prone skin. Niacinamide, coenzyme Q10, resveratrol, antioxidants like vitamin E and K, ceramides and squalene, very hydrating. Bakuchiol, the newest one. This is an organic ingredient but works very well in anti-aging. Now I'm going to show the basic skincare tips is for an essential anti-aging routine, which you can do at your home according to your age. Now, skincare in 20s, use a foaming cleanser, lightweight moisturizer with sunscreen, spot treatment for your pigmentation or acne, and serum at night. You can go for an antioxidant vitamin C serum or an azelaic acid serum. Now, in your 30s, lightly exfoliating cleanser to clear up the dirt as well as the built up dead skin. Eye cream, since in your 30s, the skin starts to thin out in under eye area. Moisturizer with a broad spectrum sunscreen and the prescription retinoid. In 40s, non-foaming cleanser, mild pH balanced cleanser, since the skin starts drying as we age. A 50 or 40 SPF sunscreen, retinoid at night, and peptide in the morning. Moisturizer with glycerine, squalene, or ceramides. In 50s, a creamy cleanser to hydrate your skin more often. Moisturizer with sunscreen, peptide-rich serum, and retinoid at night. Now, the most important thing to remember that retinoids always at night, and peptide and antioxidant serums you can use in the morning as well as night, depending on the concentration used in the product. Today, most ladies are sampling from the full menu of non-surgical aesthetic procedures and coupling them with an essential medical grade skincare routine. So skin starts to age just as soon as we become a teenager. Thankfully, 2021 science and technology gives us a choice to have a young and youthful skin, that too without doing any surgical procedure. So non-surgical anti-aging procedures have high patient satisfaction, immediate results, no adverse effects, minimal discomfort, shorter recovery time, and lower cost as compared to the surgical procedure. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, before we begin into the anti-aging procedures, I want to tell, once I'll begin with these slides, you will feel there are so many options and which procedure suits which skin type. So everyone's aesthetic goals are different. Everyone's facial anatomy, aging rate, skin type, and tolerance is different. That's why personal consultation with your dermatology is very important to formulate your treatment plan. Now, first and most basic procedure is chemical peeling. Now, many a times these procedures are also done at salon, but they are unaware of the concentration to be used, and also peels are of different type. These are the common peels used, and you can see there are multiple types, and every peel has different effect. So a peel is an exfoliating chemical solution which exfoliates the top layer of the skin and peels off the dead skin. Along with that, takes care of fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, sun damage, and gives overall good tone and texture to the skin. It's just a 15-minute procedure and has a downtime of 5 to 7 days, and you can feel the difference in your skin just in a week's time. There are also glow peels which can give you immediate effect without downtime. Now, Q-switched or a pigment laser. Q-switch laser, in easy words, is a pigment laser. It is going to reduce your melanin, and it is completely painless and has no downtime. Very famous as a bridal laser, or known as Hollywood laser. So it removes dark spots, freckles, also takes care of the tattoo pigmentation. Many have those bindi tattoos on the forehead. त्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये गोंडलेलं म्हणतो, can take care of that also. Then also removes birthmark. Many people have birthmarks on their face, on half part of their face. We can reduce those birthmarks too. Evens out the tanned skin, also temporarily bleaches the facial hair. Now I'll show you a video. So this is a procedure done at my clinic, and we are here doing a carbon laser with a Q-switch laser. So this carbon layer removes all the dirt and impurities and also reduces the oiliness of the face. Now this is the before and after result of Q-switch laser in just 2 sessions. Now I have divided my presentation in minimally invasive anti-aging procedures as well as non-invasive. Now these procedures are all formulated to induce your and stimulate your collagen. So collagen is a protein, type 1 and type 3 collagen in our skin, which leads to tightening, that tight and firm appearance of the skin. And as we age, every year we lose minimum 2% of the collagen. And this lost collagen is irreversible unless and until you are doing some procedure to induce new collagen formation. Now, first we'll begin with the minimally invasive procedure, microneedling. Now, this is a very famous procedure, and at my clinic, I use Dermapen 4 for that. In microneedling, what we do, we first apply topical anesthesia, and then I use this pen to glide over the skin. Before using the pen, I use active cosmeceuticals like hyaluronic acid, bright light, or any anti-aging product I want to infuse in the skin. So multiple microchannels are created with the tiny needles, which help in deeper penetration of the cosmeceuticals, as well as stimulate the wound healing mechanism, leading to the new skin formation. These are the benefits of the Dermapen. It can take care of acne scars, fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, stretch marks, enlarged pores, skin rejuvenation. Now, Dermapen is such an amazing device that if you do the procedure today, you can attend your OPD tomorrow. There's mild redness, which is gone in 2 hours time, and just flaking, which you can mask with the help of your moisturizer. You can start applying your makeup by 3rd day, and it won't be visible. So for those busy practitioners who never want their patients to know, this is an amazing procedure for you. Now, Venus Viva, it is nanofraction radio frequency device. This is an amazing device, which I completely vouch for to induce your collagen on any body part. Works well on the face, neck, chest area. This can also take care of striae and stretch marks. You can see this is the before and after result in just 2 sessions of scar treatment. After the initial, in the initial 2-3 sessions itself, we notice the difference, but as we go further, we take more session, the collagen stimulation becomes faster and the improvement is also faster. It is completely painless procedure and done under topical anesthesia, and as you can see, the patient is completely comfortable. Now, Morphus 8 Pro, this is a just recently launched machine in India, and we'll be getting soon at my clinic. Now, this is a subdermal adipose remodeling device. Now, we just spoke about Dermapen, which is the basic, which is the amazing microneedling procedure, which works on the epidermal and also dermal layer. Same with Venus Viva, works at epidermal and dermal layer. Then we have the 3rd layer, that is the adipose or the fat layer. So Morphus 8 Pro uses needles which are gold plated, and this is a fractional subdermal adipose remodeling device. So it can surpass the epidermal, dermal, as well as the fat layer, and it can help in remodeling any part of the body. So it works amazingly well on fine lines, wrinkles, acne scar, stretch marks, cellulite, as well as lifting of the skin. Now this, you can see the pregnancy, post-pregnancy abdomen, and see the improvement also of this lady. It works very well on the Indian skin tone without post-procedure pigmentation. Now, vampire facial, many of you might have heard about this. This is platelet-rich plasma therapy. In this, we use our own plasma to rejuvenate the skin. This can be directly, the PRP can be directly injected in the skin, or we can combine it with a microneedling device. Now here I am directly injecting in the patient, and as you can see, the patient is even, she's also talking with me and she's totally comfortable. Then I coupled it with the Dermapen. Now, CZ microinfusion. In this, we use the tiny device which has a cocktail of any serum or growth factor I want to use, like Botox, PRP, hyaluronic acid. And through the needles, we are inducing collagen as well as those peptides, and growth factor cocktail is directly delivered in the skin. Now we'll begin with the non-invasive anti-procedures. These are amazing procedures whenever you want to step out, it's your birthday, anniversary, and you want that immediate lift and tightening. This is the procedure to go for. Now, venous freeze is something which I usually do on my own face. This is a diamond polar applicator technique in which non-invasive radio frequency is used for immediate lifting and tightening. Now you can see the before and after results. Obviously, this is not a one-time procedure. This is going to take 6 to 8 sessions to reach our goal. And then you're going to maintain the results by the skincare routine. This treatment feels like a warm massage, and there's completely no downtime, and you feel much more relaxed. Now, Forma by InMode, you can see the immediate results. There's lifting, softening of the fine lines, decreased fine lines and wrinkles. Now, Ultherapy. It is also known as HIFU, that is high intensity focused ultrasound procedure. This is a non-surgical facelift, and it is also FDA approved. In this, we use ultrasound radiations to produce collagen, elastin, and tighten up the skin. This needs only one session. It has no downtime. You can do Ultherapy under topical anesthesia in the morning and again attain your function in the evening. Since the top layer, outer layer is not damaged, there's no downtime. These are my own patients. You can see the before and after. So the left side is the before picture and the right side is the after picture. You can see softening of the nasolabial folds, also tightening of the face, tightening of the jawline. Now it also takes care of the double chin. As we age, the defined jawline contour is lost. You can see after result, the patient looks much younger in a natural way, since we have synthesized her natural collagen. Now, Medifacials. Now, Medifacial nowadays are rage because they're a perfect combination of science and beauty. They are designed to repair, restore, rejuvenate. So I offer multiple facials at my clinic, and it depends on the individual skin type, which facial, which suit, which person. Now, coming to the last second end of the part, anti-wrinkle injections and dermal fillers. Anti-wrinkle injections are famously known as Botox injection. Now, Botox is a brand name. What we are actually using is a botulinum toxin. So in anti-wrinkle injection, we inject the botulinum toxin in the overused muscle. Now, every day we are contracting our facial muscles like the forehead line, a forehead muscle, also the eye muscle, and with time the muscles become really contracted. Now, when we inject Botox, the muscle relaxes, and till the effect of the toxin is present, that is 4 to 6 months, we have a relaxed wrinkle-free muscle, and that's why those lines are taken away. You can see it is done under topical anesthesia, just a 5 minutes procedure, and patient is comfortable. Now, these are the before and after results. There's a misconception that Botox leads to frozen face. That is not the reality. You can see the pictures and the patient is looking much more relaxed and more herself. Now, dermal fillers. Dermal fillers are rage. They are pure hyaluronic acid injections, which we inject to take care of our facial contours, to lift up the face, to smoothen out the skin, and to fill in the contours of the face, like under eye area, our lips. So dermal fillers can plump up the thin lips, enhance shallow contours, soften facial creases, remove or diminish wrinkles, improve facial volume loss, lift up the face, improve the appearance of depressed scars, also rejuvenate neck, decolletage, and hands. Now, these are my patients. In the first patient, you will see her smile line was very prominent. She was actually young, just in her young, early 40s, but still she had those lines, and we erased it in just one go. And this lip filler patient, now I did 2 sessions on her to achieve the result, because I did not want to overfill her lips. I wanted her to have a soft contour. Now the third picture, she was a bride, her wedding was in a month's time, and multiple treatments were done, but there was no improvement in her under eye area because she had that hollowness which could be filled only with fillers, and the results were immediate. Now, fat reduction through geolysis. Nowadays, there are fat dissolving injections which are alternative to surgical techniques like liposuction. Venous Fjord, this is a unique solution for women's health. In this, we use radio frequency energy. This is a non-laser technique to tighten the vaginal muscles. It takes care of vulvovaginal atrophy, sexual functioning, vaginal laxity, and also tightens the intimate area skin. It is for all the ladies, premenopausal, menopausal, postpartum, also those who have urinary incontinence. Laser hair reduction. Now, this is not a part of anti-aging procedure, but I just thought I'll tell about this because hair is a common thing which all humans have, irrespective of the gender. And as we age, because of the fluctuation in hormones, we might have more facial growth than we would like to. So laser hair reduction is an amazing option. I use triple beam laser at my clinic. It is fastest laser platform, safe for all skin types. Initially, these lasers were made for skin type 1, 2, 3, that is fairer skin tones, not for Indian skin tone, and used to lead to a lot of burning and irritation. But nowadays, lasers are painless and very safe. They're effective all on the hair and skin type. Also work on those fine residual hair, and the results are permanent. You can see the patient is completely comfortable and just a one-shot technique. She had hirsutism, postmenopausal. In 2 sessions itself, her near 50% of growth reduced. That's it. Thank you for listening to me and giving me time.
That was a great talk, Shivani. I must say, I am damn surprised by seeing that pics and all. I was like, "Bapre, aisa ho sakta hai?" We were surprised. And as a gynecologist, one thing as you had mentioned regarding the urinary incontinence and
Yes.
menopausal ladies for sexual dysfunctions and all. So kindly, can you explain that first, and then we will take the questionnaire session.
Yes. One second, I'll share. Let me share the screen. I'll show the presentation itself because the 1 second. Sorry, I had the presentation, but I'm not able to find at my desktop. My screen is really busy. So in that we use radio frequency energy. Now there are 3 types of procedure used for vaginal tightening, means the technology which are out there. One is laser technology, but that was not a success because many times there were minute burns inside the vagina which healed in the process, but still the patients were not that satisfied. Then came therapy, that is high intensity focus ultrasound, and now this is the newest one, that is non-invasive radio frequency. Just like I showed you a video of Venus freeze, in that we were doing that warm massage on the face, same way is this Venus Fjord machine. So in that we have a probe like USG intravaginal probe, okay, which we put inside the vagina, okay, and then afterwards there's a 15-minute session. In that, a decided radio frequency energy is delivered to the intravaginal muscles, which lead to angiogenesis, that is new blood vessel formation, as well as new collagen synthesis, which leads to the tightening of the vaginal wall. Okay, and as the muscles and the vaginal walls tighten, it also takes care of the urinary incontinence. Now we need minimum 3 sessions, 1 month apart, and the results stay for an year's time, and then you might need maintenance once in a year's time. And also the sessions depend on the history of the pregnancy histories, like the woman had one pregnancy, two pregnancy, what is her age, 40, 50. Once we feed the data in the machine, it decides the energy.
Okay, very nice. Snail, madam?
Yes.
Yeah, you can do the good justice to that subject actually.
Yes. It was a very nice.
Ma'am, unmute.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Yes. Am I audible to everyone now?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
very clear.
Yes. Yes. Shivani, it was a very nice and informative session regarding the anti-aging and skincare. I would like to ask you one thing. According to you, at what age you suggest the treatment for anti-wrinkle to avoid the wrinkles?
Avoid, yes. So
Yes.
see, wrinkles are of two types, dynamic and static. Now, my age is 30. Okay, I'm smiling. The lines are not available. Now I do this, the lines are available, but sorry, visible. But when I'm stable and I'm not giving any emotions, the lines are gone. Now these are dynamic lines, means they are visible only when I'm in motion. Now, static lines are those lines which we see in 40s and 50s, which are visible without any movement. Now, Botox is to prevent. It works on dynamic light, like my lines. Okay. So once the lines become static, means when they are visible, even when you are not moving or giving any expression, the botulinum toxins won't work well. So as ma'am asked me, I suggest Botox to those who have those dynamic lines which are slowly becoming static. Now, when the person smiles and she stops smiling, the lines are taking time to go away. That is the time to start Botox. So it's not about age, it's about those muscle activity. So, ma'am, whenever I see that, as I answered, I see that so slowly the patient's lines are going to become static. I suggest the Botox, but I never force. Many people have this taboo that it is not safe and all, and I never force. Once they say, you know, I'm really not happy, just inject those muscles and get rid of those lines, then I do it. And as ma'am said, it is a preventive method because the muscle is relaxed for 4 months and 6 months time. So for that time, the aging has reduced. And once the effect is gone, again the muscle starts contracting and again the aging begins.
Shivani, would you like to start with the creams first and then suggest some procedures?
Yes.
Some creams. Do you think creams will work initially, or along with the procedures, you can prescribe some good creams?
Ma'am, you're asking what every age, right?
For those who have started getting the wrinkles, like 35, 40.
Ma'am is saying, are you going to land up to directly to the Botox or?
No, I never lined up to directly to any procedure. I always
Yes, that's what I want to ask. How do you proceed for your treatment protocol?
Yes. So whenever a patient visits me, irrespective of the age, I first try to gauge the person's investment or time in the skincare routine. Most
Right.
of the patients are not into vanity and they're like, I don't care. I never apply a moisturizer. My skin is always moisturized. Why will I apply a sunscreen? I just stay at home. But see, even when you are staying at home, the windows are there, sun exposure is there, but they are not that concerned. So I tell them, first you begin with a skincare routine recommended by me. Use it for a month or 2 months time. Once I feel the person has started noticing the difference in the skin and he or she is happy and they want to proceed further, and I know now that the person is sincere in the skincare regime, and if I tell something, he or she is going to do that and take care of it, then only I start recommending the procedure, because procedures might have downtime and I want that person to be aware of that and be ready for it mentally.
Very well said, Shivani. Snail ma'am, do you have any more?
Yes, Shivani, what is your experience with the HIFU?
HIFU is an amazing device. So it is not for everyone. I always tell those who are very skinny, those have prominent bones and all, it is not for that. HIFU works at a deeper level. It works as so the skin layers there are 3 skin layers: epidermal, dermal, and the fat tissue. Okay. So HIFU, there are 3 different probes. One is just for superficial tightening, one for superficial as well as dermal tightening, and one is for fat loss or fat contouring. Okay. So those who have very skinny skin, very bony structure, I tell them to go for procedures like venous freeze and Forma. But those who have very chubby cheeks, as I showed you the before after pictures, very chubby cheeks, very visible sagging, to those I advise HIFU. And HIFU is just a one-time session, and the results are seen in 3 months or 6 months time, and they continue improving over a period of an year.
And then they need some maintenance therapy, right? Means
Yes,
they can repeat after
they can
after a particular time.
they can
right?
repeat after 6 months time, but I always
Right.
tell them to give a gap of 1 year. But some
Right.
people have those double chins, so one session is not enough. She might need a second session after 6 months, because her face might tighten up, but the double chin fat was more, so she might need the patient might need second session after 6 months time. So I keep a safety period. The safety period of 3 months should be kept. In a HIFU second session, I keep a period of 6 months.
Right.
Very well said. Shivani, one query from my side, and even our women's wing team actually. Is these all procedures are very expensive? Are they?
No. Now chemical peels and all start from 1,000, 1,500, the very cheap procedures. And see, even an anti-aging cream, they're like $1,000 or 1,500, with nothing for doctors. And if you go for fillers and Botox, they might be a little expensive, but see, fillers stay for an year or 2 years time. So even if the syringe is like 20,000, 25,000, it is going to last you for 2 years time without doing much on your face. And fillers are always my last resort. I have so many non-invasive options, and which is naturally going to stimulate your skin. I always keep it as the last resort.
ओके. so that means indirectly मला असं ऐकू आला की शिवानीने असं म्हटलं की माझी मावशी लोक किंवा माझे आईचे फ्रेंड लोक आले तर मी त्यांना फ्री मध्ये किंवा 50% असं का म्हणजे डिस्काउंट किंवा
बोलायचं आहेच नाही, तो बोलायची गोष्टच नाही आहे. डॉक्टर्स आहेत तर ते तर ऑब्वियस आहे.
थँक यू सो मच, सो स्वीट ऑफ यू. इज देयर एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द ऑडियन्स अवेलेबल?
जर ऑडियन्स म्हणजे कोणी डिरेक्टली क्वेश्चन विचारेल तर आय वुड बी मोर दॅन हॅपी टू आन्सर.
Yeah, it was her personal request that I have to complete my session within half an hour and I want questions from the.
Yes, I really wanted to be interactive. तुम्ही मला काही पण विचारू शकतात. I guess there's no guy on the list, right?
Shivani, सर्व procedures, whatever you are doing, does anytime any lady come to you, make me fair?
अरे नेहमी एव्हरीवन इज अबाउट की मी पहिले अशी होती, नाउ मेक मी फेअर. मी पहिले अशी होती, मला तो टोन द्या, that can happen. But many times mothers come in with their daughter, I'm going to get her married, and that is her skin tone, and do something that, and I always tell her, show me the color of your non-exposed area, like of the chest area. And if I see her skin tone is same as her face, I tell her it is not going to improve and it is not going to matter. What matters is your personality, and you have a right to say no to a guy who thinks you are not fair enough. Okay. But if I feel her skin tone is not matching up with her inside tone, that means she has tanned, then I can take care of that.
Okay. Most of the time, when people go to facial ladies, they does the facial things, they use some instruments to rub the skin and all.
I know.
आणि एवढा भासून देतात की बस आजच एकच दिवसात तू सिमेंट सारखी गोरी होऊन जायची, व्हाईट सिमेंट सारखी.
I know.
Is it good? मतलब should we
No,
go?
it is very harmful. The skin external layer is damaged beyond repair, and it takes 2-3 months to get it to normal. Even this facial waxing is so unsafe. Yesterday I had 3 brides. They had their wedding in 5 days time, and waxing आपण एकदम वेडिंगच्या जवळ करतो ना, म्हणजे हेअर ग्रोथ नाही व्हायला पाहिजे, तेवढं उशीर व्हायला पाहिजे. So they use that Rica wax. Now this is the common wax. Rica wax should never be used on the face. Along with the hair, it peeled off their top layer of the skin. They had big burn patches, and I just told them that I'll dry up those wounds, but I cannot. We cannot take care of the pigmentation in just 5 days time, and your makeup artist would have to conceal it.
Oh God. That is very painful for
I know, very
them.
painful, and they could not stop crying, obviously.
And actually, does any hydration things work out for that wrinkles and all after 30
Yes,
or after 40?
yes. So
Do you
you can use
suggest some nutrients or something?
now you can use hyaluronic acid, peptides, and then vitamin C, mild percentage like 10% or 15%. And there are nowadays hyaluronic acid injectables, non-filler techniques like Volide, Profilo. When injected, they synthesize our own hyaluronic acid, or they directly provide hyaluronic acid to our skin, and the hydration stays in the skin for a year's time. Vital and Volide, these are two options.
If some lady is 100 plus kg and suddenly she comes down to 60, 70 of weight, no doubt regarding the abs and all, she will cover it up, the loosening of muscles and all. But what about the face? How can she work out on it? Does any workout for the face is there with you people, or it is the direct the thing treatment thing only?
No, nothing can be done. She'll have to do the procedure. Now, one day, yesterday itself, one patient came to me and she said, I have started with facial yoga. Now I see. Now facial yoga is amazing, and every kind of yoga is amazing. I'm not against that. But if you're going to means you're going to stretch your muscles and relax them, then that is okay. But if you are going to do any repeated motion in your face, like in yoga you are going to blow air, smile, and do like this and that, the more you contract your muscle, more lines and wrinkles it is going to give you. So yoga is for the body. I don't know how much it can help in face. It is still facial area, it is still controversial. And now if a patient has had as you told me fat loss of or weight loss of 50 kgs, then more than her face overall, she is going to have sagging and stretch marks and cellulite, and these all procedures need collagen induction and new skin formation. Without that, she is not going to have any improvement.
Okay, well said. Pallavi ma'am, do you have any questions for her?
Yeah, definitely I have. Because I'm 40 plus and I'm daily facing.
आता आली म्हणजे बिलकुल ट्रॅकवर प्रश्न विचारायला.
मुझे ना ग्रे हेयर के बारे में पूछना है कि can we avoid graying of hair, or what's the solution? Do you have any solution for that?
Even
So
I want to know it.
yes, if the graying has started early, like in your 20s, and nowadays it happens even in teenage years, then you need to supplement with zinc, copper, selenium in your diet, okay? And then take supplements for minimum 3 months period of calcium pantothenate, and increase the uptake of protein. But if it by genetics or with the aging, like after 30s, it is irreversible. I attended a conference in Europe, and there was a famous trichologist. So he told us that the best treatment I have ever seen work on gray hair is dyeing. Hair dyes. It's not going to be reversed.
There is one question in the chat box. Any side effects of Botox injections, and for how many months effects of Botox last?
Achha, there are many questions. Sorry, Botox effect lasts for 4 months to 6 months in initial period, and if you are doing it every 6 months, after 2-3 years time, you might need lesser units, and even if you do the similar units, the effects will last for 6 months.
And I think one more question is there, which you had already answered actually. Any dietary supplement for maintaining skin tone? You had already answered it.
नहीं कुठे dietary skin tone. Glutathione. Skin tone means color of the skin, right? Or the tightness of the skin. So for the tightness, you can take collagen supplements, fish oil supplements, omega-3 supplements, and coenzyme Q10 supplements. And to maintain the color and color of the tone, for detanning, you can use glutathione supplements, vitamin C supplements. And nowadays, there are also astaxanthin supplements and beta carotene supplements. Now, Dr. Nikita Reddy ma'am, kaya hai best medical grade vitamin C serum.
Grade vitamin C.
Can you tell me your skin type? You can use liposomal vitamin C serum by Cess Derma brand. What is the difference between Botox and filler? Dr. Supriya ma'am has asked it. So, Botox are anti-wrinkle injections. They are going to take away your fine lines on the forehead, around your eyes and also between your eyebrows. Fillers are to fill in your contours, like the under eye area, on your cheekbones, if yours fat loss on the face, as well as to plump up your lips and give you a defined jawline. So fillers are to fill in and Botox are for muscles.
And what's the concept of retinoids application? How it is?
Retinoids. Now, retinoid is a very strong anti-aging. That is a vitamin A derivative. It comes in different strengths like 0.025, 0.04, 0.1, and different strengths. But for that, I need to see the skin type. If your skin is very dry and dehydrated, then you need to start with the lowest concentration. If the skin is very oily, acne prone, you can go with the medium or higher concentration. Start with minimal pea size application, leaving your under eye, nose and lip areas, because these are the sensitive areas, and apply just for half an hour initially and cover it with the moisturizer to decrease the drying effects and gradually increase the duration. Is it safe to use hair dyes? No, it is not. Obviously, it's going to make, see, how do we color our hair? We take out the pigment present in the skin and then we bleach the hair and then we put the pigment. So the hair becomes very brittle, dry. I can give you chemical free options, Vegetal, Cuticolor and Ultris. These three colors are easily available in all the pharmacies and you can try these. But these chemical free hair colors don't give that those dark brown or black colors. They give little lighter colors.
Okay. And are hair dyes good or bad for hair exactly?
I just answered same thing.
Shivani, can you repeat those names, brand names for hair color?
Ultris, Altris, Ultris, Vegetal and Cuticolor. Go for black color because in the end it is going to give you dark brown color. Since it's
And what
chemical.
is your opinion regarding highlights for the hair?
Same, but less hair are damaged if the highlights are only it's not a
Is it
blow.
better than Innova? That is.
Yes, better than Innova.
Are ordinary serums really good?
There's a Kerastase brand of hair color that is the best, but those are like Europe-based hair color brand. Not the shades are not easily available. Sorry, ma'am, तुम्ही काय म्हटलं?
Are hair?
Nagina, ma'am.
Yeah. Are ordinary serums really good?
Yeah, they are good. Vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, ordinary serums are good.
And what about regarding hair dye? Is hair dye good or mehendi is okay? It is safer.
See, if the mehendi is giving you black color, then it is a chemical mehendi. Okay, because the original chemical free mehendi, that is the original mehendi, are orange, gives you orange color. Okay, so if your mehendi is giving you a dark color, it is a chemical based mehendi. Don't use that, and better than using that those light color orange colored mehendi, go for the three brands I just suggested.
And what about the retinol concentration for
Yes, Nagina, I want to add here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes.
In hair colors, is the best brand because it contains the scalp protector lotion.
Which brand,
So
ma'am?
when we Kerastase.
Kerastase, I just told her, the same brand I told, it is the best one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the best one because it contains the scalp protector lotion and it is very necessary.
Snehal ma'am, तुम्हाला पुन्हा बोल.
I will recommend this Kerastase.
Snehal ma'am, your network is weak.
Yes. In second with hair colors, the Kerastase is the best hair color because it contains the scalp protector lotion. Before applying any hair color to the hair, we have to apply that lotion on the scalp so that the hair dye color, that pigment, the pigment from the dyes doesn't penetrate our scalp skin. So the Kerastase is the best because it has a scalp protector lotion.
Yeah, that is what Shivani told actually now. Yeah. Shivani, one more question. Can Botox be used for nasolabial fold wrinkles? Are there any side effects?
If you have flared up nose, we can use the Botox to slim down the nose corners. So some people have straight nose, but they have flared up nasal alli. So we can slim that up. But if you're talking about the nasolabial folds, no, it cannot take care of that.
And nowadays we are seeing
Only fillers will take care of that.
okay. And nowadays we are seeing the advertisements of Indigo that they use that oil for 2-3 days and फिर mahina bhar they will have that black hair only. Are they safe?
So that's what I'm saying. If it is giving you dark black color, it is obviously a chemical based product. Chemical free products, or see, there's no chemical free color actually. All the colors which are giving you colors have chemicals, but it is about the safe, using the safer chemicals. So these mehndis are the same, like that. Better than that, go for the L'Oreal hair dye, and better than the brand that we just suggested, also the Snehal ma'am suggested, is the best brand, Kerastem.
Okay.
But as I told you, the availability is a big problem. That's it.
And at our Chandrapur Doctors Association, we are having lots of active people who go for regularly trekkings and cycling, long distance and all. So they are asking outdoor workouts giving tanning and other problems to the skin, the dryness, the oiliness or whatever, how to avoid them.
So before you go out, try covering your body. I'll tell you wear those track suits and those full sleeves jacket, because sunscreen only works when used in a sufficient quantity. And see, if I'm going to apply the sunscreen on the face and I want 90% or more than 90% protection, I'm supposed to use minimum 2 to 3 fingertip sunscreen. How much we use? Half of one fingertip. Because if we use more than that, it's visible on the face. So the sunscreen we use is very insufficient in quantity, so that's not going to give you 90% protection. That's why you cover up the body to prevent sun tan. And for the sunscreen, you can use minimum 30 to maximum 50 SPF broad spectrum sunscreen. And if you have a very sensitive skin, you can go for physical sunscreens which don't have chemicals, like zinc oxide sunscreens.
Okay.
I'll suggest you brand. You can go for Z Screen sunscreen, and if you have a you can use this Cetaphil sunscreen. It's a 50 SPF, and it is very moisturizer and lotion based. You can apply it on all the body parts, but I find it sticky. Don't use on the face. For face, go for oil free sunscreen, and for the body, oily sunscreen which stay on the body in spite of the sweat and dirt.
Okay, well said. And how to reduce the dark circles? Please suggest some topics.
Topical applications, you can use Averta under eye cream. I'm giving 3 brands: Averta, Melalumin, and K-Vit serum. So it depends on the type of skin you have. If you have visible pigmentation and thick skin, you can go for a Ugard, which is a stronger retinol under eye. And if you just have dehydrated skin, then you can go for Sebamed under eye as well as the K-Vit serum. And if you have those under eye hollows or the troughs, जैसे हम डोळ्यांच्या खाली गड्डे आहे असं नाही म्हणत, तर creams are not going to work. Then you are a filler candidate.
And I must mention, this is the first foremost webinar which I am seeing. Up till the last end of the second, all the 35 plus participants are still there.
Oh, I'm so glad. Thank you.
Beauty of Shivani, right?
No, that is the kindness of everyone. Thank you.
And again, the skin problems after swimming.
Skin problems means tanning, rashes, dandruff. Are we talking about everything or only skin problems?
Everything.
So see, before this swimming, you are again supposed to apply a sunscreen. Use a waterproof or water resistant sunscreen. Now I should tell you the most important secret about this waterproof and sweat resistant sunscreen. They only work for 40 minutes to 80 minutes max. Okay, they don't even work for 2 or 3 hours. So after 1 hour, you are supposed to reapply the sunscreen. And but all other side effects are because of the chlorine water and all that we cannot prevent. You'll have to take care of it and apply soothing lotions after swimming. Wash your body with a mild soap, pH balanced soap free cleanser. Then apply oatmeal ceramide or a squalene moisturizer to reduce the burning and suntan. And then once after 2-3 days, once you feel the sunburn or the swimming reactions or the redness has gone away, then you can apply detan lotions. Then you can, whenever you see there's sunburn or whenever you see after swimming, see, during swimming, there's always reaction due to the chlorine water and everything. Along with that, there's direct sun exposure. So whatever side effects we find post swimming are of the chemical water as well as the sun. So first, for 4 or 5 days, at minimum 72 hours, you let your skin heal. Use a squalene or oatmeal based moisturizer. Use hyaluronic acid on the face, and once you feel the reaction has gone away, then start your peeling agent, your night routine, and the detan lotions, because all these contain peeling agents. And on the burnt skin, if you apply a peeling agent, it is going to aggravate it further.
Okay, very true. And the other question is puffiness under eyes. Is there any solution?
Now, see, if you have eye bags under your eye, which happens in 40s and 50s, that is the herniation of under eye fat. For that, only surgery works. Now, if you have malar fistulas like I have, can you see this swelling? Now, this swelling is due to lymphatics. Many people just have the genetic tendency. It is sometimes there, it is sometimes not there. But with age, it aggravates. For that, you can use a antioxidant under eye serum, which contains vitamin K or caffeine. That K-Vit serum is good. And you can use jade roller. You can keep it in the refrigerator. You know those face rollers? They contain natural quartz, like we have in-house in pharmacy jade rollers, rose quartz rollers. So I keep it in the fridge and roll on the face, so these lymphatics are massaged and they clear out, and in 5-10 minutes the swelling decreases. But it does not go away completely, because it is not a skin issue, it is an underlying lymphatic or fat issue.
Okay, very good. And how to reduce the dandruff if we exercise daily?
You can go for sorry, you can go for anti-dandruff shampoos. Now this Bioderma Node DS, NODE, Node DS, capital DS shampoo is amazing. It comes in a big bottle and stays for 2-3 months, and very cost effective and very good for all ages.
Shivani, can you repeat which one?
Bioderma brand Node DS, NODE DS.
And what is the retinol concentration for 30 plus age?
Retinol, it depends. Now it is 1%. We see how it depends on which creams you're using. Now if you have a dry skin, you go for a Reti Age cream. Again, it is by Sesderma brand. It contains retinol, but it is very moisturized base. So even if you have a very sensitive and any kind of skin you have, it is going to give you good effect without a downtime. Now, you're asking about the proper concentration. It differs according to skin type. As I told you, if the skin is oily, the retinol will suit immediately. If the skin is really dry, then you need to use a moisturizer-based retinol. You can go for the Reti Age brand. And Jade Roller brand, I use my own brand. I have Cosmoderm face rollers. They are made of rose quartz. I use those.
So I suggest Nikita, jaldi se jao uski OPD mein. Don't leave Shivani alone now. Just go to her clinic immediately.
Shivani, I wanted to ask one question. How many years a young person can use isotretinoin acid to prevent pimples? Like
Prevent pregnant.
Isotretinoin.
Isotretinoin.
Yeah. To prevent pimples. How many years one person can use that?
No, so isotretinoin has a direct effect on our liver function test and liver functions, and also on lipid profile. So every 3 months, if the patient is taking 0.5 to 0.5 per kg of isotretinoin, he or she should be evaluating the liver functions and the lipid levels every 3 months, and they should be very on minimal fat diet, and also avoid alcohol. And isotretinoin is a oil based medicine, so when we have a fatty meal, it is absorbed even better. So it is supposed to be taken at bedtime post meal, and you cannot keep on taking for years. Like mostly it is given for 3 to 4 months time, and once you're acne free, when the patient is acne free, we give in time breaks, and that time
I heard from some doctor only that she takes it premenstrual phase she takes. So is that okay?
No. So if she has premenstrual flare up and otherwise her skin is acne free, that means she has some hormonal acne, maybe PCOD, androgen excess, it is high testosterone level, or maybe because of the fluctuation in estrogen and progesterone, maybe she gets those breakouts before her menstrual cycles. During this time, she can go for anti-testosterone medicines like aldactone, but not for isotretinoin. And both aldactone and isotretinoin are contraindicated for pregnancy. So any doctor, any female who is of fertile age should take it with care. And if you are planning a baby or planning to conceive in future, always stop isotretinoin completely, wait for a month's time, and then start planning.
Shivani, there are regularly patients complaints are there. Whenever they get pregnant, after that they have some pigmentations at that neck portion, hands, some
Yes, yes,
ankle,
yes.
somewhere, abdomen, everywhere.
Pregnancy, na ma'am.
Yeah.
So in pregnancy is actually a hyperpigmentary condition. Progesterone hormone leads to a lot of breakouts and pigmentation on face as well as hands, on the tummy area, that what we call linea nigra and all those lines. So once the child has been delivered, in 6 months time, 50% of the pigmentation reduces overall. And if you feel that even in those 6 months time there is no decrease in the pigmentation, then you can ma'am refer the patient to the dermatologist, and he or she will give lotions to depigment the pigmentation. Many depigmenting creams are safe in the breastfeeding period too, so she can use those.
What about skin tags?
Now skin tag, if the patient is pregnant and she has skin tags, then mostly she is a gestational diabetic patient. Most of the times skin tags have direct relation with diabetes or high sugar levels. So even if you put her on metformin, or if you ma'am त्यांचे sugar levels तुम्ही monitor केले ना, and she has a controlled sugar level, new skin tag formation would reduce. And post pregnancy, we can put topical anesthesia and just burn off those skin tags, and they won't return.
And if
And
they
many,
are not diabetic, then
she or he might be having she might be having the tendency. You're talking about pregnant female, right?
no, any of the
Acha, any person who has skin tags are mostly have genetics first. Second, as I told you, high sugar levels or high HbA1c levels. You evaluate those ones, and he or she would should have weight in according to the normal basal body mass index should be within the normal range. Mostly sugar se issue rahata, and then second genetics, and there's only one option, electropulgration, that is removal of those
that
tags.
is, skin tags are genetics also, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you.
I thought we were talking about pregnant women.
No,
I got
generally,
confused.
yeah, thank you so much. And the session was very interactive. And now we are over with the chat questions also. Now I request our beautiful co-chair to propose her vote of thanks. And one vote of thanks I want to give to Dhanya madam also. Sorry to offend her, मैम और दो बच्चे भी कर लेते और इतने टैलेंटेड बच्चे रहेंगे तो हमें तो टेंशन ही नहीं था, हम और मेहनत कर सकते थे.
My eye is going to cry today, happy tears एकदम. ती तशी मी घरी नाही कमी जाते म्हणून रडत असते, असं ती एकदम happy tears रडेल.
आम्हाला स्क्रीनवर पाहायचं होतं मम्मीला.
Yeah, ma'am, you can propose your vote of thanks.
Hi everyone. As much as we want Shivani to keep going on and on with the amazing skincare advice she has given us, unfortunately it is time that we conclude today's session. Now onwards, I'm assured that when we IMA ladies set out in public with Shivani's amazing tips and tricks regarding skincare, no one could ever guess what age we are.
Yes.
First, I would like to say a big thank you to Dr. Shivani Mane for taking out time from her busy schedule and for enlightening us with her knowledge. In spite of it being a working day today, she was really eager to address her Maherji Loka. You introduced to us a lot of new techniques, such as use of proper cleansers, moisturizers, sunscreens, peptide-rich applications, retinoid applications, skin pills like glow pills, YAG laser to remove spots on face, minimal invasive anti-aging procedures, microneedling, venous viva for prior stretch marks and scars on face. Then she taught Morpheus 8 Pro vampire facials, platelet injections, Caesar microinfusions, venous freeze, ultrasound therapy for skin tightening, medifacials like hydrating facials, fire facials, ice facial, pumpkin facials, which I never heard, anti-wrinkle
आम्ही
injections,
तुम्हाला ट्राय करवते.
anti-wrinkle injections of neurotoxins, dermal fillers, geolysis, laser hair removal, vaginal rejuvenation. My God, Shivani, खूप लंबी लिस्ट आहे. प्रत्येकाला भुरळ घालणारी गोष्ट म्हणजे सौंदर्य. प्रत्येक माणसाचे सौंदर्याविषयीचे मत हे वेगळे असतं. सौंदर्याकडे जो तो आपल्या नजरेतून पाहतो. अधिकतर लोक फक्त चांगलं दिसण्याला सौंदर्य समजत असतात. मात्र खरं सौंदर्य जे असतं ते आपल्या मनात एखाद्या गोष्टीविषयी, व्यक्तीविषयी जागा बनवत असतं. त्या लोकांपेक्षा सुंदर कोणीच नसतं जे स्वतःहून इतरांच्या आयुष्यात आनंद यावा यासाठी प्रयत्न करत असतात, जशी की शिवानी.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you.
आणि आज ऑनलाईन असलेल्या प्रत्येक आयएमए मैत्रिणी यासाठी सतत काही ना काही रूपाने प्रयत्न करीत असतात. या सगळ्या सुंदर मैत्रिणींना सोबतच सुंदर स्पीकर आणि चेअरपर्सनला खूप खूप मनापासून धन्यवाद. Thank you, our President, Dr. Mangesh Kulwade sir. Thank you, Dr. Anup Paliwal, Secretary, for Zoom link. Thank you, Dr. Manisha Ghate, Women's Wing Chairperson, as a leader to head the wing. Thank you, spontaneous girl, Dr. Nagina Naidu, for keeping thrill and liveliness in each and every event we plan and being there 24/7 round the clock for IMA. Thank you, all Women's Wing members, for withholding their respective schedules and being patient to know the beauty tips. Last but not the least, thank you, Dr. Nilima Dhande madam. इतनी बोल्ड एंड ब्यूटीफुल बेटी आपने पाई है, एक ही है क्या? 3-4 होते तो पूरे साल के वेबिनार्स में हो जाते हमारे. Thank you all.
मला एक म्हणायचं होतं, आय एम रिअली ग्रेटफुल टू द अमेझिंग विमेन्स विंग कमिटी, पल्लवी मॅम, नगीना मॅम, मनीषा ma'am, thank you so much, Snehal ma'am, and thank you to all the senior doctors who took out time to listen to me. Thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity.
शिवानी, you gave me opportunity for the next 1 hour with Pallavi ma'am. अब हम 1 घंटा ये डिसाइड करेंगे. तसं कर, हे कर.
भेजा ट्राय करेंगे वो.
म्हणून तिची मम्मी अशी एवढी यंग दिसते, अरे म्हणून ती एवढी सुंदर दिसते, अरे म्हणून टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया मध्ये आली. असं नाव वी आर गोइंग टू हॅव 1.5 hour chat on phone for continuation. है की नाही?
Done.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for
Thank you
attending
so
the session,
much.
and thank you so much, Shivani, for taking out your busy schedule. I know your OPD is still in rush, and you were
नाही,
your
नाही.
staff की आता नका घेऊ, आवाज कमी करायला लावा, असं तसं. Kindly, you continue with your things. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. Bye.